Hi and welcome to today's session on Pythagoras' theorem to prove a triangle has a right angle. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be using the key facts of Pythagoras' theorem to actually look at a equation to see if this equation would actually mean that this is actually a right angle triangle. So bear in mind that for Pythagoras' theorem, the formula that we work with is c squared equals a squared plus b squared. And this tells us that this triangle has got to be a right angle if c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So here's an example. Here's my problem. I've got could a triangle with sides 4 cm, 7 cm and 9 centimeters be a right angle triangle? So let's put this to the test by substituting in my numbers into this. Now the 9 cm here, we know that this is going to be the hypotenuse of our triangle because it's going to be the longest side. It's the longest length that's there. So substituting this in, we've got 4 squared plus 7 squared, which equals 16 plus 49, equals 65. But 65 does not equal 9 squared because of course 9 squared equals 81. So we can actually say that this is definitely not going to be a right angle triangle. If that was equal, we could say that this is definitely a right angle triangle. Now, as a little rule of thumb, I mean, believe me, it doesn't work in all cases. But with this given problem, if all the angles in the triangle are acute, then our c squared is going to be less than our a squared plus b squared. So this won't be a right angle triangle. And if our c squared is larger than our a squared plus b squared, rule of thumb, we just assume that this is going to be an obtuse triangle. So one of the angles is going to be greater than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.